Coronavirus messed with my plans. I couldn't go to school, I couldn't even sit my exams. It came to the point where going outside was bad or wrong to do. I couldn't help but go back into a cycle. Oh, I mean a spiral. I feel like I'm going down into a cycle or a pit of depression that I can't get out of. I'm trying so hard to be productive and positive, but my emotion has run dry. I don't know what's happening to me. I used to be really hardworking and proud, but now I'm messing up and handing in my work late, cause I don't understand it no more. Yeah, that's it I guess. Yeah, like I don't even know what the day is anymore. Like
is this because we never sent the J-mail in 2016? Or cursed like in a once upon a time?
Started 2020 with a toast and a cheer, but things changed rapidly down in a spiraling pier. World War III and the fires in Australia, and bombs and knives, whatever can we do? COVID-19 came and everybody fled away to shelter in fear, but NHS can save the day. BLM, justice, kneel down, fists up, Trump left and Biden reign #1. Year later, everything's still behind a screen. Clap in to try and spread positivity. This was rough for all, but we're still here, and it's hope that 2021 is here.